Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification from the three government colleges. Here the selection is purely based upon the interview only. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET 2021 aspirants, and the complete details we will see at the end of this video. And now, while coming to the present content, it is a GB Pant Social Science Institute. So, it is a constituent institute of the University of Allahabad. So, in this one, here the notice recruitment or tender for the walk-in interviews you can check down. So, here the few research associate and the research assistant vacancies are there. And apart from this one, you may also check down here detailed advertisement for the faculty positions and the non-teaching positions also you may check down. So first, if you click on the faculty positions, then you will be directed to this notification here. So advertisement for the post of assistant professor, associate and professor category, and the GB Pant Social Science Institute has openings for faculty members for its core positions as well as tenurial or temporary positions for its teaching and research programs. So applications are invited at the level of professor, associate and assistant professor with proven research record in the areas of development, planning and policy, research encompassing macro, sectoral and area developmental issues, culture, democracy and politics, population mobility and environment. So these are the areas, and here you can check down the number of vacancies also for the assistant professor under the unreserved category 3 and EWS category 1 and ST category 1. So the total 7 vacancies are there, and for the in the PWD category 1 unreserved thing is there, and the associate professor and for the professor vacancies also you may check down. Okay, and the applicants with proven research or teaching experience may submit their applications on prescribed application form by registered or speed post with a demand draft of 1000 rupees in favor of Director GB Pant Social Science Institute, Allahabad, payable at Allahabad, and the last date for receiving the application is 1 month. 1 month from the date of publication of this advertisement, and applicants may also email their applications to the gbpsi recruitment@gmail.com. Okay, so here within 1 month is the last date, and here the notification is released on 29th December 2020. So 1 month means Jan 29 2021. Okay, so the candidates belong to these departments with the necessary qualifications. You may apply to this one, guys. Okay, so I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you may check down the remaining instructions also carefully. Fine. And coming to the second government college is Punjab University, and here you may check down that applications are invited for appointment of one guest faculty to teach mathematics at UIET Punjab University, Swami Sarvanand Giri Regional Center, okay, for the academic session 2020-21, and the applications are required to fill up the application form for the assistant professor available on the Punjab University website, and the link is also provided here. Okay, the candidate should attach their attested copies of certificates and other relevant documents along with duly filled application form, and the applications must reach in office of the undersigned through registered post or speed post or by hand or email also up to 8th January 2021 by evening 5 o'clock. And the minimum qualification as per PU or UGC norms, and the above assignment is on the lecture basis with honorarium of 1000 rupees per lecture with an upper limit of 25,000 rupees per month. Okay, and the candidates are requested to check the notice board. Here the websites are also provided here for the date of interview and each and everything. So you may check down these details, that I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. And coming to the third college is the Qazi Nazrul University. So in this university, guest faculty for MSc in Geoinformatics. So you may check down that applications are invited from eligible candidates for engagement as guest faculty in the Department of Geography for teaching MSc Geoinformatics. And the eligibility is MSc or MTech in remote sensing and GIS, geomatics or geoinformatics. The desirable qualifications are also given here. Interested candidates may send their email. Okay, you can email the required documents to the hod.geography@knu.ac.in within the 10 days from the date of the advertisement. Okay, so here the date of the advertisement is 21st December 2020. 10 days means I think today is the last date. So the interested candidates may apply here. Fine. So total these are the three different colleges. And so to get the few more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And now the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here the Unacademy is providing the complete or the detailed course for the subjects who belongs to commerce and the general paper, management, computer science, political science, history, economics, labor welfare, English, sociology, language, law, education, geography, psychology, Hindi, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, philosophy, home science, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, anthropology, and Punjab. Okay, so here the top educators are dealing with the subjects, and the interested candidates may take the subscription plans here. So you may check down the different subscription plans are there, and soon the prices are going to increase. So before increasing the prices of the subscription plan, so the interested candidates may take. So right now these are the different subscription plans for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 and 24 months. And if you mean in this plan, you are going to get the live classes, and the classes will be done as per the UGC syllabus, and you can clarify your doubts I mean at the time of classes going on, or else in the doubt clarifying session itself. And if you use my referral code, that is Ashwini-K, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plans. Okay, so before increasing the prices, so please take the subscription plan now itself if you are planning to take. Right? So all the best, and thank you guys.